Everyone, how are you doing? So today we're gonna learn about introduction to programming, and I'm gonna be your presenter, Amit Parsing, presenting on programming. So let's start with that. So in table of contents, what we are gonna learn today is this. What we're gonna learn today is this that what is a programming, what are programming language, high level programming language, low level programming language, high level versus low level, and key differences. So, what is a programming? So, have you ever wondered how apps, games, and website works behind every digital experience in programming? The art of giving the instructions to computer, but how do you communicate with machines? That's where the programming language come in. Today, we'll explore programming. What is programming? The different type of languages. Why some are called high level and other are called low level. So, programming is a process of writing instruction that a computer can understand and execute. Just like a human use language to communicate, a programs use programming languages to tell computer what to do. Whatever it's whether a building or creating a game or analyzing a data, everything start with code. So that's what is a programming. And so what other programming we have a multiple programming languages. It is help us to write instruction for computer. Just like we have English, Spanish, these languages have their own syntax and rules and keywords. So some are easy for a human to read, like Python, while other are close to machines code, like assembly. But probably they fall into two categories: high level and low level. Example of a program language like Python, Java, C++, or JavaScript with multiples other tools. So high level programming language. So these are languages which are human friendly. They use word syntax which are a very natural language to English and so easy to write and understood. Example like Python, Java, JavaScript. So to computers didn't understand these directly, they need a compiler or interpreter to translate them into machine code. Advantages are easy to learn and read, fast development, portable. They work from one operating system to another like Mac or Windows or Linux. Whatever operating system you can use them. Then you have a low-level programming language. So low-level programming are closer to machine code binary. They give programmer fine control over hardware, but are harder to write. Example, with assembly and machine code, they are very hard to write and very hard to understand. So this is now used in a system programming, hardware drivers, and from critical application advantage. They have fast execution, no translation needed. There is no need of compiler or translator in this low-level programming language. Direct hardware control used in embedded system OS development. Then these are the key differences that we get in high level versus low level, of course. Let me tell you about low level language. So low easy to understand for machine and less human readable. Not portable, highly executive speed, binary code, assembling machine code. High level, human readable, easy to understand, portable, comparatively lower executive speed time, use syntax and symmetry. Example Java language and Python C++. Thank you everyone. And you can contact us this number with this is our website tech lambda and all other resources like YouTube and Facebook.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.